As an outdoorsman, having a reliable and accurate handgun with you on your adventures can provide both safety and peace of mind. However, with so many options available, it can be challenging to know which handgun is best suited for your needs. That's why I have compiled a list of the top 7 best handguns for outdoorsmen, taking into consideration factors such as reliability, accuracy, weight, ease of maintenance, and comfort. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a hunting expedition, or just a day hike, these handguns are all excellent choices for any outdoorsman looking for the perfect firearm to take along. Sig Sauer P320. Like the 1911 and Beretta 92, this pistol is destined to become a classic by virtue of its being chosen as the new sidearm of the United States Army. The Sig Sauer P320 is a popular and versatile firearm that can be a good choice for outdoorsmen who want a reliable and durable handgun for various activities such as hunting, camping, hiking, and backpacking. The P320 is designed to be modular, which means that the gun's frame, slide, and barrel can be easily swapped out to customize the gun to your specific needs. This feature makes it a great choice for outdoorsmen who may want to switch between different barrel lengths, sights, and grips for different activities. The P320 is a rugged and durable gun that is built to withstand harsh outdoor environments. The gun features a stainless steel frame and slide, which are both resistant to rust and corrosion. The gun's components are also designed to be resistant to dust, dirt, and debris, which can be important for outdoor activities. Overall, the Sig Sauer P320 is a versatile and reliable firearm that can be a great choice for outdoorsmen who want a gun that can be customized to their specific needs and is capable of withstanding harsh outdoor environments. Glock 17. Destined forever to be known as the handgun that started the plastic pistol craze, the Glock 17 is a certified classic, and it's more than just a polymer wonder. It has an untarnished reputation for reliability and ruggedness, and it has become a favorite of law enforcement worldwide. Though not an ideal hunting handgun, the G17, now in its 5th generation, is arguably one of the best handguns ever for concealed carry or personal protection. The gun's frame is made of polymer, which is resistant to corrosion and impact. This makes the gun a great choice for outdoorsmen who may encounter rugged terrain or inclement weather. It is a highly accurate firearm. The gun features a high-visibility front sight and a rear sight that is designed to be easily adjustable for windage and elevation. The Glock 17 has a high-capacity magazine. The standard magazine for the Glock 17 holds 17 rounds of ammunition, which is significantly more than many other handguns. The gun features a striker-fired system that is designed to prevent accidental discharges, and it is also designed to function reliably even in adverse conditions. It's almost impervious to the elements, and an outdoorsman looking for an under-the-seat truck gun would be hard-pressed to find a better option. Glock 20. The Glock 20 is a highly effective firearm for outdoor activities such as hunting and camping due to its power, reliability, and versatility. Its 10mm cartridge provides significant stopping power, making it a suitable choice for taking down larger game or defending against animal attacks. The 10mm is enjoying a resurgence among shooters, handgun hunters, and outdoorsmen seeking sidearm protection in backcountry, and there are plenty of new 10mm pistols on the market to meet demand. The Glock 20, a full-size, 15-round 10mm, has been in production for years, and it remains one of the best choices for a semi-auto hunting pistol or a general-purpose outdoors gun with big firepower. The gun's high magazine capacity also provides added security in the outdoors. Additionally, the Glock 20 is known for its durability, which is essential for withstanding harsh outdoor conditions. It features a polymer frame that is resistant to corrosion and impact. Finally, its reliability is widely acknowledged, and the gun is a popular choice among law enforcement and military personnel due to its striker-fired system that prevents accidental discharges and ensures its performance even in adverse conditions. Desert Eagle. On the positive side, the Desert Eagle is available in several powerful calibers, including 357 Magnum, 44 Magnum, and 50 AE. These cartridges can provide enough stopping power to take down larger game or defend against animal attacks. Additionally, the gun's size and weight can help to reduce recoil, making it easier to handle and improving accuracy. The Desert Eagle's durability is also a notable feature, as it is built with high-quality materials and designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The gun features a gas-operated system that helps to manage recoil and improve accuracy, and it is highly customizable with a variety of options available for grips, sights, and finishes. However, the Desert Eagle's size and weight can make it impractical for everyday carry, and its high cost may be prohibitive for some buyers. The gun's heavy recoil can also be a challenge for some shooters, and the powerful cartridges can be expensive and difficult to find. In summary, the Desert Eagle can be a good choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want a powerful and durable handgun for hunting, camping, or hiking. The gun's customization options and impressive firepower make it a popular choice among enthusiasts, but its high cost and heavy recoil may not be suitable for everyone. Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge is a unique firearm that has gained popularity in recent years for its versatility and power. The Taurus Judge is a revolver that is chambered to fire both 45 Colt and 410 shotshell ammunition. It is available in several different configurations, including a 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 6.5-inch barrel length, and in both steel and lightweight aluminum frame options. The gun has a capacity of 5 rounds and is popular for self-defense, home defense, and hunting small game at close range. The Taurus Judge is available in lightweight aluminum frame options, which can be a great option for those who plan to carry the firearm on extended hikes or camping trips. The Taurus Judge is a well-built firearm that is designed to withstand heavy use, which is important for outdoor enthusiasts who may encounter harsh conditions or need a reliable firearm in case of an emergency. Overall, the Taurus Judge is a unique and versatile firearm that is well suited for close-range self-defense and hunting applications. While it may not be the best choice for every situation, it is a reliable and effective tool for those who understand its limitations and use it appropriately. P10C. The CZP-10C is a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a reliable and accurate firearm that is easy to carry and use. The CZP-10C is a compact, striker-fired polymer handgun that is designed for concealed carry and self-defense. It is chambered in 9mm and features a polymer frame and slide with a steel barrel and slide rails. The gun has a capacity of 15 rounds and comes with interchangeable backstraps to adjust grip size. It features an ergonomic grip that is comfortable to hold, even for extended periods of time. The grip is textured to provide a secure hold on the firearm, even in wet or slippery conditions. The CZP-10C is known for its accuracy and reliability, making it a great choice for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who need a firearm that can deliver consistent performance in a variety of conditions. It is built to last, with a polymer frame and slide that can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor activities. The CZP-10C is easy to disassemble and clean, which is important for anyone who plans to use it in the outdoors. This makes it easy to keep the gun in good working order, even in harsh outdoor conditions. Smith & Wesson 686. Should you need a single handgun that will work for anything, a 4-inch Smith & Wesson 686 357 Magnum would be tough to beat. The Smith & Wesson 686 is built to last, with a strong and durable stainless steel frame and barrel. The construction of this firearm is top-notch, ensuring that it can withstand regular use and abuse. It is a versatile firearm that can be used for a wide range of activities, including hunting, target shooting, and self-defense. It can also be chambered in different calibers, giving shooters more options and flexibility. Smith & Wesson 686 is known for its accuracy, making it a popular choice among target shooters and hunters. It features adjustable sights that allow for precise targeting and a smooth trigger pull that enhances accuracy. The Smith & Wesson 686 features a comfortable grip that is easy to hold and control. This is especially important for shooters who plan to use the firearm for extended periods of time. If you're looking for a foolproof defensive gun that you don't need to hide, you can't do much better than this.